A giraffe melts into the vegetation in Transvaal, South Africa. A great gray owl, the world's largest owl by length, blends into a tree in Oregon. An Asian vine snake uses surrounding foliage adjacent to water to catch its primary prey, fish. A leopard sits in the underbrush in South Africa's Kruger National Park. A blue-crowned parrot disappears in the verdant rainforest of Belize. A wolf peeks behind a tree during fall in Montana. The color and shape of the wings of the brimstone butterfly allow it to blend in perfectly with green vegetation while resting. The buff-tip moth has developed an astounding camouflage that helps it to hide in plain sight among trees and branches. A common snipe hides among riparian vegetation in Minnesota. A great horned owl hides among autumn foliage in Malheur National Wildlife Refuge, Oregon. Found on every continent on the planet, wolf spiders are opportunistic predators that will use their surroundings to ambush their prey. A nocturnal creature, the great patoot hides during the day by perching itself on trees. A horned adder matches the sand of the Namib Desert, where they disappear completely by burying themselves. A family of Japanese macaques hide in plain sight amidst their rocky habitat on Honshu Island, Japan. Two klipspringers camouflage themselves among rocky cliffs in Botswana. A willow ptarmigan blends into the snow while foraging in Churchill, Manitoba, Canada. A spotted deer, also known as a cheetal, disappears in a forest in India. A nighthawk conceals itself among rocks in eastern Washington. The pygmy seahorse is an expert at camouflaging itself in sea corals to evade detection by potential predators. A snow leopard peers over the edge of a rock in the Himalayas. A right-eye flounder is perfectly adapted to going undetected on the ocean floor. Uroplatus geckos, a species of nocturnal lizards endemic to Madagascar, use cryptic coloration to hide in tree bark during the daytime.